Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Terry Park, or 27 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving east at 20 miles an hour.
At least 10.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Perry Park around 3:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Larkspur and Greenland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.